In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate Wi-Fi address on iPhone on iOS 18. So basically, you just need to make sure you connect to Wi-Fi if you want to rotate the Wi-Fi address. So if I don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. To do this, all you just need to do is open the settings app on your iPhone and then click on Wi-Fi. You can see already connected to this Wi-Fi name. Then once you click on that, click on the information icon beneath the Wi-Fi name you connected to. Then you can just scroll down a bit until you get to rotate Wi-Fi address. This is the Wi-Fi address. Click on this. There you go. So this is going to rotate Wi-Fi address to help reduce tracking by changing your Wi-Fi address at various times. So tracking can happen when your address always appears at the same to the other device and people using the network as you. So here you can reduce tracking on your iPhone on iOS 18 here by enabling Wi-Fi address rotation. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.